Okay guys, I'm doing the rear brakes on a 2012 Venza. I've already taken the caliper off and I've taken these pads out, and you can tell they're pretty worn. Okay, and it's a solid rotor. And then these bolts in the back, they're 17 millimeter, just like the front. And we're just going to release those like so, and we're going to take the bracket out of place. So let's go with the other one. There we go, and the bracket should come right out of its mounting, because we are going to replace the rotor as well on. There we go. There we go. Brackets out, and then we got to get the rotor free. And because this is a Midwestern car, it's frozen. Alright, there we go. Let's get the new parts, okay? Alright, I'm going to clean the rotor of all the rust. There we go. And we'll put a coat of anti-seize right around there. Alright, let's go do it. Pushing back in the piston on the caliper slowly using a big C-clamp. Okay, I have the rotor back on. It's the same slotted and drilled, and it's going in the orientation that the manufacturer wants. I have installed the pads. They're ceramic, just like it. And then now I'm going to put the caliper on, and then we should be done. Make sure it's twisted. I use the clamp, so it should just slide right in. There's no springs or anything, just go right in. There we go. And then bolt that down, and we're done. Thank you. Put the tire back on, and then we will make sure that the brakes are okay, and then we're done. Thank you.